Let's look through 11 through 15 at speed run. Number 11 says the graph below shows a system of equations. One line represents a linear function and the other is an absolute value function. What is the solution to this system? I've already marked a solution to a system for linear equations or absolute values is just wherever they meet. So you'll notice these two lines cross at 3.5 for x, or 7/2, and negative 1/2 for y. So there you go, D. Number 12. A system of equations has infinitely many solutions. If one equation is y equals 2x plus 5, which equation could be the other? Infinitely many solutions are the same line. If you graph two equations that overlap, they have infinite solutions. So when looking at A through D, D is the only one where both parts of that equation are being multiplied by the same number 3, which means it's proportionately the same, making D the correct answer. For number 13, it says evaluate the equation. What is the value of negative 6 times x? For the sake of time, I already evaluated the equation. You can see the math there, leaving us with x equals 60. So when they say, what is the value of negative 6 times x, which is 60, they're looking for an answer of negative 360. There you go. And moving up to 14, says we have a system of equations there. It says if the solution to this system of equations is xy, what is the value of y? You would want to open up your Desmos graphing calculator on the exam, punch in each of those equations, which gives you a graph that looks like this. We can see those two lines cross at -2, -1, which is what I have written down right here, -2, -1. But they just want the value of y, so your answer there would only be -1. And number 15, which of the following solutions would be the center of the circle and its radius for a circle graphed as that equation? Okay, there's a formula for that. I have it written down there below. For that formula, HK, I have those labeled there. Those are the center of the circle. And then that last number here, R squared, represents the radius. So looking at the equation they have given there, we notice because of the negatives, H is actually positive 10. So it could be C or D here. The K is there as well. And because of the R squared, we actually want a radius of 10, because 10 squared is 100. So my answer for that one is D, and we're done.